All right, Convention Center parking garage.
Ooh, this is a choice.
Got some glass doors.
We're probably gonna get a
on
view this
side.
way.
I'll go down to L.
I'm sorry, this is fun, but like everything seems slow after you just got off the Four Seasons.
Yeah. Indeed. And I got the Wawa cup to remind you guys that I am not LI Elevators anymore.
I am. Jesus.
See what the other one's broken. All right, well, that's it.